Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Is your iPhone able to receive notifications and ring appropriately for incoming calls, but for some reason the screen remains black? Are you worried that you might lose your data if you need to perform a complete device restore? In this video, I'm going to recommend 3 methods that you can try individually to fix this issue and regain access to your iPhone. Let's go. Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a forced restart. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Since your iPhone is still technically working and the problem is just with the display, you can try connecting it to iTunes if you're on Windows, or using the Finder app for Mac users. Hopefully, the data will still be accessible through either software, as you will need to create a backup before restoring your iPhone. Please note that this method will only work if you connect your iPhone to the computer that was previously registered as your trusted device. Otherwise, the trust process is required, which is basically useless since your iPhone has display issues. To get started, connect your iPhone to your computer using an original or MFI certified cable to avoid readability issues between the two devices. Your iPhone is successfully connected if you see the phone icon at the top of the iTunes toolbar, or find the iPhone directly under Locations in the Finder app. If so, the next step is to manually back up your device, either through your iCloud account or directly to your computer to avoid data loss. Skip this step if you already have a recent backup in your iCloud account. After you create a backup, follow the next step to restore your iPhone. Now you can enter the recovery mode with the same key combination you used for the force restart. By this time, keep holding the keys until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPhone entered recovery mode, you can try the 2 available options one at a time. First, update your device. This should fix the issue if it is caused by either an iOS glitch in your previous upgrade or outdated features installed in your current version. If the update doesn't work, try to restore your iPhone. Keep in mind that this will reset your device and erase all your data. However, since you created a backup some time ago, restoring it should not be a problem. Unfortunately, the process of resolving software problems on your iPhone using iTunes or Finder may not always work. Aside from that, restoring your iPhone leads to loss of data, particularly if you haven't backed it up. Because of these disadvantages, the best approach is to use a third-party repair tool instead. Personally, I use iMyPhone FixPo. This software is specifically designed to fix common iOS issues with a few clicks. You'll find the download link in the description below. FixPo is compatible with both Mac and Windows PC, so make sure to choose the right OS before downloading the installation file. After installation, launch iMyPhone FixPo on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone using either an original or an MFI certified cable. Compared to using iTunes or Finder, this feature has a higher success rate in resolving software-related issues. Aside from that, this doesn't cause any loss of data. However, please note that this is a paid feature. From the software dashboard, click Apple System Repair. Then choose Standard Mode, and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the repair process. Once the repair is complete, your iPhone should restart normally, and you should be able to continue using it without further issues. So, have any of these methods worked for you so far? If none, then the malfunction is most likely caused by a hardware-related issue, and the only solution is to have your iPhone display replaced. Hopefully your device is still under warranty so Apple can repair it at no charge. Otherwise, the repair may be too expensive at the Apple retail store, and you may choose to take your iPhone to another repair center. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.